Hello, and welcome back to Everyday English Chats.
We're really happy you're here with us today.
Do you ever feel like you know English, but the words don't come out easily?
Or maybe you translate in your head first, and that makes speaking slow and stressful.
Don't worry, you're not alone.
Today, we'll practice 10 simple English sentences you can use every day.
These sentences are natural, useful, and easy to remember.
Just listen, repeat, and enjoy the conversation.
Let's begin with the first sentence.
Sentence 1 is, "Let me think about it."
You say this when you need a little time to decide.
For example, "Do you want to join us tonight?"
Let me think about it.
Now repeat with us. "Let me think about it."
Very good. Let's move on.
Sentence 2 is, "That sounds good."
Use this when you like an idea.
Let's meet at 5.
That sounds good.
Repeat, "That sounds good."
Nice and clear.
Sentence 3 is, "I'm not sure yet."
This is perfect when you don't know the answer right now.
Are you free tomorrow?
I'm not sure yet.
Repeat slowly, "I'm not sure yet."
Well done.
Sentence 4 is, "Can you say that again?"
Use this when you don't understand something.
Sorry, can you say that again?
Repeat with us. Can you say that again?
Great job.
Sentence 5 is, that makes sense.
You say this when you understand an explanation.
Oh, that makes sense.
Repeat, "That makes sense."
Excellent.
Take a small pause, breathe, you're doing great.
Sentence 6 is, I'll get back to you.
This means you will answer later.
I'll check and get back to you.
Repeat, "I'll get back to you."
Very natural.
Sentence 7 is, "No worries."
You say this when something is okay.
Sorry I'm late.
No worries.
Repeat, "No worries."
Nice and relaxed.
Sentence 8 is, "I'm getting better."
Use this to talk about progress.
How's your English?
I'm getting better.
Repeat, "I'm getting better."
That sounds confident.
Sentence 9 is, "It depends."
This means the answer is not simple.
Will you come tomorrow?
It depends.
Repeat, "It depends."
Very good.
And now the last one.
Sentence 10 is, I'll give it a try.
Use this when you want to try something new.
I've never done this before, but I'll give it a try.
Repeat, "I'll give it a try."
Excellent work today.
Try to use these sentences in your daily life.
At work, at school, or with friends.
The more you use English, the more confident you become.
If you enjoyed this lesson, give the video a like.
And subscribe to Everyday English Chats for daily practice.
Thank you for learning with us today.
See you next time. Keep speaking English every day.